Lisa with WTI, and I would love to share with you my favorite lip liner. It's Urban Decay Venom Color, the 24/7. I chose the 24/7 because I don't want it fading off my lips every 2-3 hours. So I want you to see how this looks. I'm just gonna lip line my lips. So smooth. Something I really loved about it is that it has vitamin E moisturizer, which makes it so smooth and gentle for your lips. Honestly, I love giving my lips a little bit of filling with this. It'll give it a pretty beautiful color. This is the Venom color again. I'm barely touching my lips. It's so smooth and it makes such a difference. Now, I want you to see the water testing. I have my glass of water here. I'm gonna have a drink. I would love you to see the cup. There's nothing there. This lasts for a pretty long time, so it's worth your money. I love it. This is Venom color again. It's moisturizing, it's smooth. It's not only a lip liner, as you can see, I pretty much use it for lipstick, and that is just my point of view.